Hey friends, if you wish to track changes in Microsoft Word, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So, once we are here, we will go to the Review tab. In the Review tab, there is a section for tracking. So, one thing says Track Changes. If you just click on this one, you'll find the Reviewing tab here. I'll show you the difference again. When this was not checked, it was called Editing. If it is checked, it is called Reviewing. Okay, and it will suggest changes and add comments. Okay, so we can track changes for everyone because see, these days Microsoft Word documents have access to a lot of things. They can be accessed by multiple users. So if you want to track changes for everyone, then select that. If you just want to track your own changes, then you can select that. Or if you wish to lock tracking, you can also lock it with a password. I'll give a password here and hit enter. And while the changes are being tracked, you'll find it here. And if you wish to unlock the training, you will have to enter the password again and hit enter. And now you can cease tracking changes on your Microsoft Word document. This is how it is done. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.